Hello, good day to you all. This is just a short video just to complement the previous two videos that I've released on how to use the group application. Please, this video is very important even before you start using the application. Thank you very much. My name is Michael. Please, if you are watching this video through my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification whenever I receive new videos. Thank you. Let's kick start. So the simple change, please, this is going to be a short video. The simple change is that when you click on your application, this is my application here, Money Any application. Yes, and you enter your own number. My own number is number 1, which is Michael. So wait for it to load. As you can see, I'm waiting now for the advertisement to load. Yes, it's telling me to wait. Now the adverts are loading. Please, it's very important here that you wait for at least about 2 minutes for all the adverts to load. And the most very important thing here is that the first ads now that the first impressions that you have to make, that is the ads that you have to cancel, is for everybody in the group. Yes, I mean everybody, which means it will be 10 for each of them. Please, that means you should take your time for you to wait now for everything to load. As you can see, I'm not pressing anything, it's loading by itself now until it loads the last one. That's when you will start canceling it one by one. So just wait, and don't mind all this message that is saying wait 30 seconds, cancel as. Don't just bother about that, but just wait until all the ad is loaded and the last one appears and stable. That is when you will start canceling each advert one by one. Please let's follow this instruction strictly. It will really help us, please. So I'm still waiting for the adverts to load until the last one is stable. So I think this is the last one now. If this is the last one, I will now start to be canceling it one by one. I've been canceling it myself now. If I cancel it, we open another one. Yes, I'm canceling it now by myself. Please let us follow this simple rule. It will help us. So this is just a change. So from the last two videos I've released, it's just a simple, and this will really help us because it will give 10 impressions for everyone first. So is it that you are clicking from Nigeria, US, United Kingdom, Canada? Now I'm clicking from Nigeria. That's why I don't even use VPN or change anything. I'm not changing time, I'm not changing anything. It's just because I'm clicking from Nigeria. But if I'm going to clicking from the other countries that we are going to be using, you'll be clicking from, that will be US, UK, Canada. In that case, you are going to use your VPN, change everything as I've explained in the second video. And please let's make sure that we do this thing for the 4 countries every day for every members in our group. That is Nigeria first without using VPN, then followed by United Kingdom, Canada, USA before the day break. We can give ourselves time frames to be doing that. It's not necessary you do everything at once, as I'm doing now, that I'm doing for Nigeria now. After completing the Nigeria one for everybody, I may rest for the next 2 hours before doing another country by using my VPN. So that is the simple rule. I'm canceling it now. so it will take some time because the ads is over 100. So canceling it one by one now. Please let's follow this instruction, please. I'm canceling it now one by one. I'm still on it. I'm still on it. I'm canceling it. So I know that it takes some time, like 2-3 minutes before I cancelled everything, because the ads are for everybody, every members in the group. Yes, as you can see, from Festus, which is the next number after me here. We have 10, 10, 10, 10. This one have 6, this one have 6. Scholar did not have. Aaron Jafar did not have. Adeleke did not have. Don't worry, this is due to network. If it's like this, don't worry. But if your network is good, everyone will get 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Everyone will get 10, 10, 10, 10. So don't worry. Now, after this page, the next thing you do now is now start from number 1 again. So we will first complete the 100 impressions for the number 1. As I want to do now, it's only just I've clicked watch now. Then wait for the ads to load. Wait for the ads to load. It's still loading. I'm not pressing anything yet, so it's still loading. So it will be just 10, so it will be faster. So okay, I'm canceling now. As you can see, Festus gets 10 now. That's how you will do for Festus until you reach 100. After you reach 100, that's when you now make your click and follow the instructions that I've give in the video. Then after you made your click for Festus, you clear your browser. Don't clear your app. Just come back. Okay, let me just complete this one for Festus for simple understanding, please. I'm not expecting this video to be as long as the previous ones. I'm waiting for it to load, so I'm canceling it again now. Please, let's be consistent with this and help each other to make money. And let us understand that where we are even going to be getting the money is from the UK, USA, Canada. You are making this click because we must have at least impressions for our own local country, so that Google will be convinced that yes, is the impressions and the clicks are real, because there is no point there that you have an application as a Nigerian. You are not having anyone from Nigeria to use your application. So if you are a Nigerian and you have your application from Nigeria, and no one is using your application from Nigeria, definitely Google will know that something scamming is happening. So Google money is a cool money. So you have to be careful. You have to follow simple instructions, please. So I'm canceling. I'm waiting for it to load, so I cancel again. It's like I've gotten 50 impressions already. No, 60 for Festus now. So I want to make the Festus one as an example, so we will understand very well. So I'm still waiting for it to load now. Okay. Don't be bothered by all those notice. No. So I've made 70 for Festus already now. So I'm waiting again. After I click on watch other Festus, so this section is very important place before you start using your application. I've made 80 for him now. Canceling now. 90. So remain 10 I want to make for Festus. It's loading. I won't press anything yet. So I'm canceling again. So it's now 100. So I'll go straight to make the click for Festus now. I've clicked on click. So yeah, as I've said, you wait for 10 seconds, not 3 seconds. Wait for 10 seconds. After you wait for 10 seconds, click on it. It takes you direct to your browser. So it will load. So browse through the website that is loaded for like 5 minutes. For like 5 minutes minimum. If you see any form there, you can fill. Not necessarily you use your own real data, real details. You can just use anything. Like full name and name, I can just write Daniel John. Please, if you see a notice like this, so accept cookies, please don't accept any cookies. Google may track you through that. Don't accept any cookies. Message, you can just write good. Let's come. So captcha. So I'm just doing all this to take my time on the website, and filling this form will feels like it's real. It's a real visit. It's a real click. Just using this thing. Some buses. This thing and what's happening? I'm still on it. I'm trying to enter this captcha correctly, but I don't know. Okay, so send message. Thank you for contacting blah 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 blah. So it will feel like it's real. So after 5 minutes, you've browsed through the website. You just close the browser, then go back to your application. Now you've made the 100 impression and as well as one click for Festus. Now do the same thing for the next person. the same procedure for the next person, the same procedure for the next official procedures, for everybody the same procedure. So after you are done, you just click on clear app data. Yes, now it will take you back to the home page. Now clear the app. So after clearing the app, you may now proceed to the other countries, as I've told you earlier in previous videos. So thank you very much. Happy earnings. Wish you prosperous new year. Bye bye.